you ever wondered how to get a very sharp and straight waterline with masking tape, I'll show you how to do that now. There's no use going along and doing it in little bits and pieces, because you'll then get wiggly kind of lines. And as soon as I can find the start to the masking tape, I'll show you. Here we go. Okay, you want to start at midships. Get a nice long section going, and then just lay it on very carefully. Just like that. And press it down and get another section, and you might want to take it back a little bit, because sometimes you can make it go up, but take it back a smidge and get it in line, pull it tight. And bingo! That's how you do it. I think you'll find it's a nice straight line.